I'm going to take you through cleaning a typical fiber optic jumper end face, in this case with a 2.5mm SC connector. I'm using our Fiber Wash MX pen as the cleaning solvent and the QbE cleaning platform. You start with a small dab of solvent, about the size of a nickel or quarter. You hold the connector so the end face is flat against the wipe. You'll know you aren't flat if there's drag. It should glide over the wipe smoothly. Drag from wet to dry, which cleans without flooding the connector with cleaner. As you can see, this technique is very effective and is recognized as a best practice cleaning technique in the Telcordia, SAE, and IEC specifications.